Hello, my name is James. Today, I am so happy to bring you this lecture by Neville Goddard. Make the invisible visible. I'd like to introduce you to the concept of making the invisible visible. Have you ever wanted to make something happen that seemed like a pipe dream? Make the invisible visible, and it can become a reality. We all have dreams that don't seem to come true. We desire something, we're passionate about it, and yet nothing changes. Do you want to know the secret to making the impossible possible? Read on and I'll explain. The first thing to know is that faith is the foundation of everything. If you have faith that something is possible, then it will be. Believe in what you cannot yet see, and that alone will bring about the desired effect. The next step is to tap into your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is the well that contains all of your mental images and dreams. Everything you want is in there. It's just waiting to become reality. To tap into and utilize your subconscious mind, use imagery and storytelling. Paint a vivid picture of what the future looks like for you. Tell yourself your story and believe it with all your heart. The third step is to take action. You can't just wish something into existence. You must take consistent, directed action in order to bring it into physical reality. Once you have faith, utilize your subconscious mind, and take action, you will begin to see your dreams manifest. Make the invisible visible. I'd like to leave you with this thought. What you focus on will increase and expand. Make what you want to happen the focus of your life and watch the universe respond accordingly. I hope this lecture has inspired you to make the invisible visible. Please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It is appreciated more than you know, and it will help this channel. Thank you for watching.